Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you some recent news on SOS Limited, ticker symbol is SOS, and some option strategies that you guys can implement into your trades, as well as my trades on SOS. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, educational purposes only. I also just started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who wants to make money in the stock markets and who wants to learn how to sell options. If you are interested, check out my link down below. We already have 50 members in there who's willing to help each other out and share ideas, as well as find ways to become a better investor and trader. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you are interested, check out my link down below. If you don't want to listen to the recent news, you can just scroll to the very end and you can see my trades that I did on SOS. So SOS is currently trading at 590. It is down over 3% today. If we take a look at the 1 month, it is down 42%. 1 year, it is up 383%. We can take a look at the volume. Today, it's 26.93 million versus the average is 72.27 million. So the volume is not there today. They do have earnings on May 2nd, so that is something to look forward to. So let's just take a look at 6 months chart here. We see that it started to pick up momentum. This was early January, and then it went to a high of 1588 back in February, and then we see a sell-off. There was a short sellers report from Hindenburg. They stated that the company accused SOS of misleading investors with false announcements and highlighted discrepancies related to the company's operations. The address Hindenburg visited was found to be a hotel rather than what was disclosed in the company's filings. So that caused the stock to drop almost 20%. So not only was there a short seller report from Hindenburg, there was also a short seller report from Cooper Research. They are short SOS. He said that the company's claims regarding its supposed cryptocurrency mining purchases and acquisitions to be extremely problematic, if not fabricated entirely. And then the following week, there was a bullish report from Scorpio VC, which did help the stock to go up. And then on March 15th, SOS announced it had installed an extra 5,000 pieces of crypto mining rigs. SOS said it was awarded its first Bitcoin on February 24th from successful mining activities. They expect to mine at least 41 Bitcoins and 909 Ethereum in Q1. And today they said they enter into a license for using a blockchain asset exchange software system in exchange for a one-time licensing fee as part of the company's efforts to establish a digital asset exchange. They also said it will plan to offer security and insurance services for digital assets. I'm very bullish on SOS, and so I decided to sell a cash secure put because I want to be able to buy 100 shares at a discount. If you don't know what a cash secure put is, it's essentially setting a buy limit, but instead of just setting a buy limit for 100 shares, why not collect a small premium? So that's exactly what I did. I want to buy SOS at a discounted price. So I had put my order in this morning, not knowing that it would get filled, but it did. So this morning it got filled. We take a look at my order here. It got filled today at 6:32 a.m. So my limit price, which is the money, the credit that I'm going to receive by selling this cash secure puts, but it got filled at 0.75. So I was able to make almost $1. And that translates to $100 because we have to multiply 100 times the limit price since there's 100 shares in one contract. So we do need to put up the collateral, and the collateral is calculated with the same thing, 100 times the strike price. The strike price is essentially the buy price that I want to buy it at. So I have to put up $600, and by doing so, I get to receive a premium. So I am obligated to buy 100 shares at $6 if the stock price closes at 6 or below tomorrow. And right now it's at 590. So there is a possibility that I can get assigned and that I will have to buy 100 shares. But that's okay, because if we take a look at our option contract here, I receive $75 up front, which makes my break-even price to $525. So as long as SOS is above $525, I am profitable. So let's say tomorrow comes and the stock goes to $5. What I can do before the market closes tomorrow, I can go ahead and roll the contract over. So I'm going to show you that real quick. If we go to view all options, we're going to hit the very top, select. So that will let you select more than one option at a time. So in this case, we want to buy back the option. First, we were initially selling the put. Now we're going to buy it back. Okay, and then we're going to sell another one for next week. Hit next, and then we're going to hit next week with the same one. And we're going to see how that looks. So we're going to buy it back. We're going to pay a fee, and then, which is a $33 fee. And then we're going to receive a $63 credit, which the difference is $33. So essentially, I can keep rolling it until I don't want to buy it, until the option expires. Worthless. If I go further out in expiration, see how much I would get. Uncheck that, go to April 9th, check that. Now I can receive a little bit more premium. So that's why I like selling cash secure puts, because essentially I can keep rolling it and rolling it until the option expires. Worthless, or I'm comfortable buying the 100 shares at $6 if the stock is below my strike price. Since I was able to receive $75 in credit, what I can do with that money is actually buy shares of SOS if I wanted to, or I can buy myself lunch today. So that is the beauty of selling cash secure puts. If you guys are losing in the stock markets, we have to be changing our strategies and our mindsets. When I first started trading, I knew nothing about options. I lost a lot of money on options, a lot of money on stocks. So I found new ways, new strategies to implement into my trades. So this is one strategy that you guys can implement. So just wanted to share that, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We already have 50 members in there, and we would love for you to come and collaborate with us. And also, I'll be sharing my trades with you guys so we can all trade together. I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering